Very pleasant good evening to all. Welcome to Jatin English classes. There is a big update having taken due to a corona pandemic in CBSE syllabus. There, as you all know, that our classes is not going offline. So CBSE board has taken a best step for the students welfare. So friends, we will discuss here about the reduction in the syllabus of a 2020 and 21 of an English subject, because it's a English channel. So friends, keep supporting, like, share and subscribe my channel, and share all to the CBSE class 12 students, so they can also get profit and they know what has been deleted from the syllabus. And if a student will know syllabus, then as per the syllabus he will study, then he will succeed in an exam. So friends, as you all know that a corona pandemic is going on, having seen that CBSE has taken this step. So friends, today evening time, minimum time was 6 o'clock 6 p.m. On that time this step has been taken by a CBSE. So friends, let's start. And topic related by a CBSE for 2020 and 21 subject English. So friends, we will see here the deleted topic from the CBSE board class 12th in English core subject. So friend, reading section, note making and summarizing. This question marking scheme in our question paper was for 8 marks. Friends, it is a, how can I express 8 marks for a student? It is a big marks for the scoring good marks and scoring good percentage. So note making and summarizing marking scheme, question number 2 in our CBSE board question paper, 8 marks. So friends, next we discuss about the literature Flamingo book. From the Flamingo book, the first chapter, first point has been related, that poets and the pancakes. Poet and the pancakes in Flamingo book. This is a lesson 6, and it has been deleted from the CBSE board. It is in a page number 57. Second topic has been deleted by a CBSE board is the interview. The interview in this chapter, there is a part 1 and part 2 lesson is there. This is a lesson 7, page number 68. This has been also deleted from by the CBSE board. Third is a going place. Friends, going places means lesson 8, page number 77. This has been also deleted by a CBSE board. So friends, and from the poetry section, there is a lesson 5, a roadside stand, page number 100 from a Flamingo book. This has been also deleted by a CBSE board. Now we discuss about the Vistas book, supplementary book. Friends, as I am telling you about a deleted topic from the CBSE board class 12, that big update has been announced by a CBSE today's evening. So friends, let's open your both book, Flamingo and the supplementary book, and see contents. You will get all such things whatever has been deleted by a CBSE board. So friends, second topic is a journey to the end of the earth. It is a topic of, as I have, sorry friends, first topic I haven't told you. So friends, the first topic has been deleted from a supplementary book is The Tiger King. The Tiger King, lesson 2, page number 8. This has been deleted. And second topic has been deleted by a CBSE board, Journey to the End of the Earth, lesson 3, page number 18. This has been also deleted by a CBSE board. So third topic is a Memories of a Childhood, lesson 8, page number 93. This has been also deleted from a CBSE board. So friends, I hope that you all have get all such problem whatever has been all such happiness that has been announced by a CBSE board for the class 12th student. So friends, writing section, we talk about the writing section. First point has been deleted by a poster making. Poster making is a 4 marks question for the CBSE board question paper. So it has been also deleted by a CBSE board. And second topic has been deleted, a business or a official letter for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving in orders and sending replies. It is a question, and it is a this question is a 6 marks, and this question marking scheme is question number 4 in a CBSE board question paper for 6 marks. This has been also deleted. And next topic, speech and a debate. Speech and a debate contains 10 mark, friends, and this question also situated in a marking scheme in a question paper. Sometimes question number 5 or question number 5 optional or question number 6. This all such topics has been deleted from the CBSE board question paper, friends. So keep supporting, like, share and subscribe my channel, and especially share to a class 12th students, cause they can also got whatever I have told you and what the CBSE has been deleted topic, and they can also get their profit, and students will know the syllabus, full syllabus, what has been deleted or what has been new added, and they will prepare according to that, then they will definitely succeed in their exam. So friends, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे। आप सब लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा फ्रेंड्स। सो फ्रेंड्स चलते हैं अब, और हम सब बहुत जल्दी जो CBSE डिसाइड करेगी उसके हिसाब से आएंगे न्यू अपडेट्स लेकर।